Welcome back to what is hopefully the final part of the workshop transformation series. In this video, I'm going to be solving the problem of where to store all the scrap wood that I've compiled over the years. So the shed's all been cleared out, I've taken all the wood out, and then quite luckily a storage solution actually found itself. So my neighbour was getting rid of a few bits from their garden and they had this like storage box, offered it to me, so I took that and I thought that's going to be perfect for putting all the like scrap wood in. It's waterproof and it's pretty decent size, so I'm going to work out where to put it because it's quite big, and then get all the scrap wood in there and we'll have a nice clear shed, nice workshop without all the scrap wood in there, so we can actually work. And then all this scrap wood, nice and accessible, nice and dry, ready to use when needed. In one of the last videos, I emptied out all the tools in the storage boxes from the shed and I put them in the workshop. Since then, I've tidied up the shed and given it a coat of paint, and look how good this looks. So all the scrap wood was piled up in that corner and it meant that that whole section of the shed was basically unusable. That shelving unit was slid across and that one was further this way, and I had bits piled up there. The large toolbox there with a shelf and then the small toolbox on top of it. The compressor was there in the doorway, so you literally couldn't fit inside. And this is where we're now at. The workshop is basically all done. I just need to sort these last few bits out. I've got those stored on the wall there, the dust collection in the corner, which works really well, the saw against the wall, which you just need to pull out to use. That toolbox is going to go on top of the fridge. I've made these slate placemats, which I've done a video for, so make sure you keep an eye out for that one. And I'm also planning a few more projects using some oak, like this, which is going to be a glass and bottle holder, and we've got some leftover slate to do some more bits with that. So this is the storage box, as you can see, full of wood. I'm going to be putting it somewhere up there. I still need to get rid of that table. It's either going to go there if I move the lawnmower, or I can move the bench, or I might put it there if it'll fit. So let's get it emptied and I'll move the box into place, then get the scrap wood all organised. Eventually I decided this was the best place for it after a little bit of head scratching. Now that job's ticked off, I can get the workshop fully finished. So there we have it, the finished workshop. For such a small room, it's given me some really usable space, and it means I no longer have to cover the patio with sawdust. All in all, the workshop conversion cost me very little. I think I only had to buy the OSB and the CLS for making the workbench, and that was only about 50 quid. Thanks as always for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the projects we've got planned in here. If you enjoyed it, give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one.